This is the Google Pixel 7, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the Google Play Store, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Then at the search bar over here, type in Caffeine. That is the app that we are going to use in order to be able to set the screen sleep timer to never, since unfortunately the highest you can go by the default settings of phone is, if I'm not mistaken, 30 minutes or something. So that is exactly the app that we were looking for. So let's go ahead and download and install it. Then all that it's left to do is to launch the Caffeine app and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set over here. So do not close the app, just leave it working in the background, and well, as long as you do, your screen will not go to sleep, will not automatically turn off at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.